Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Diksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. Today is day 28 of our series PU to Brahmastra. In maths today we'll talk about probability. So again I've taken P by Qs, okay, almost 25 plus questions in P by Qs. But alongside I've taken some MCQs also, bacha, because it is going to be, I think they are in the weightage category of your blueprint I've seen from this current year. It's going to be almost 2 questions coming from this MCQ section. So I've taken 9 to 10 MCQs that we're going to solve in the session today, and I hope after this session you will have very much clarity of this chapter and you can score very good marks or all of out, out of out marks in this particular chapter of probability. Okay, so let's check the weightage first. Please check what is coming for you in the weightage according to your board. Okay, so have a look. Total of 5 questions is being asked. Okay, can be asked 5 questions. Marks will be total is what, 8. Okay, again this is including your options as well. Okay, so fill in the blanks. You can expect 1 question, 1 marker, like that. MCQ 1 marker, 2 questions, like that you can expect. Again 2 mark there. You can have a 2 marker and 5 marker question. So please check here. So okay, this is a 3 marker, bacha. There's a mistake over here. This is not a 5 marker, sir. This is a 3 marker. This is a 3 marker. Have a look. Correct, na? 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 1, 8. Total of 8 marks, including the internal options. Okay, so weightage is quite good, and I know you can get it done. But how can you get it done? With one more support from our side, PU2 Success Blueprint Test Series. Right, it's going wonderful. All of you have been enrolling. I'm very glad to see that. If you are somebody who has missed out till now, you have not enrolled in this test series, please go ahead and enroll right now. The link is given in the description. Okay, it's a very uniquely designed test series, bacha, which will enable you to make sure that you are prepared for examination. Means after all of your hard work, how to ensure, sir, okay, I'm prepared, I'm ready. That will come from this test series, bacha. Okay, so you're gonna get total of 12 tests in this, 12 mock tests in this. Out of the 12 mock tests, you'll have first 4 as the part test, in which you'll have PCM. Okay, so PCM will be there for the first 4 tests, and the last 8 will be a full length, full syllabus test. Okay, whole schedule you're gonna get once you enroll in this program. Okay, all of this for only $599. What are you gonna get in this? Like after purchasing it, what are you gonna get out of this? So you're gonna get, first of all, obviously mock test papers, the PDF solutions, and video solutions of the question paper. Apart from that, so what you're gonna get, doubt clarification session, which is very important and very unique. Okay, which is available for you, for all the PU2 students right now. Avail it. And one very important announcement: the first test goes live on Sunday, 15th December. Okay, so make sure that you are in this program before this, otherwise you're gonna miss few of the mock tests, which is not good, bacha. Right, let's say you decide to purchase on 28th or 24th, then you're gonna always gonna miss 2 or 1 or 2 tests, right, the mock tests. So we cannot change it, because people who have already enrolled in the test series, it'll be unfair to them. So please make sure that you are also somebody who is already enrolled. Okay, so and get this benefit. All right, chaliye, any doubt you have, let us know in the comment section. Okay, let us know whatever you want to ask, any question. If it is in our live sessions, you can also ask, in the videos comment section also. Look at the content details, like how I planned the session today. So first, at the last, we'll talk about very important topics. Means you have to do these things for sure. Means you can't miss out those topics. That I'm going to talk about it at the end. And we have taken 9 questions on MCQ side, 9 questions there, and PYQs have taken total of 20 questions. I'll explain again. These questions 9 are only MCQs. Some of them will be PYQs also. So total only PYQs are there. I think 4 or 5 questions will be, which is not a PYQ, which is from the HOTS category I've taken. Means good questions from the probability, and I'll let you know which is the 2 marker, 3 marker you can expect in every question. Okay, chaliye, let's move on. Let us move on, sir. Coming up for us is question number 1. Great, sir. 2 balls are drawn at random with replacement from a box containing 10 black and 8 red balls. Okay, very important thing which makes this question is this word, replacement. Means, what's the meaning of replacement? Sir, less travel for us, na sir. Replacement means the total sample space remains unchanged. So very good for us. And what is total sample space, bacha? Total sample space is, bacha, what? 10 plus 8, so 18, na sir. Total sample space is 18, sir. So less trouble for us. Great. We are looking for what? First ball is black, second is red. Black is first, red is second. How are you gonna get black? Probability of getting a black is what, bacha? Please check. Will be probability of getting a black multiplied with probability of getting a red. Why multiplication, sir? Because both have to be verified at the same time. So PB, have a look. 10 out of 18, sir. Excuse me. Please have a look. 10 black balls, total sample space is 18, so 10 out of 18, sir. Multiplied with red balls is 8, 8 out of 18, sir. Cancel if you can. Yes, we can cancel, sir. This is going to be 5, 9, 4, 9, right? I'm getting this as 20 out of 81. Answer is suitable, given as option number A. Option number A. Simple question. Start with simple question, not a problem. Okay. Anyway, this chapter itself is very simple. Okay. If you understand the concepts very clearly, nothing is difficult in this chapter. Simple calculations are there. Okay. So question number 2. 2 cards are drawn at random without replacement. Again, good. Okay. Without replacement, sir, means the number of cards will decrease, na? So total sample space will keep on decreasing, sir. Without replacement, sir. Previous question with replacement, sir. There's a difference. Please check. Difference is there. Okay. Great, bacha. So from a pack of 52 playing cards, okay, the probability that both the cards are of the same color. So it can be either let's say black, or it can be red, or means addition. So we can do that. Black means what, bacha? It means total of 26 cards are black. 26 cards, right? We can have either club or spades. Is it spades? Yeah, club and spades, both of them are black only. So 26 cards total. Out of how much, bacha? Out of 52. Have a look. What's the remaining number of card? Without replacement means what? The card is taken out. Okay, means 25 is left. Out of what, sir? 51 now, bacha. Correct, na? Sure, please check. 25 out of 51. Okay, sir. Plus, what about the red category? Again, initially you will have how many, bacha? You will have 26 out of what, bacha? Out of your again same thing, 52 cards. Okay, and what is left now? 25 out of 51. Sir, won't the card be 50 and 49 there? You said without replacement. Bacha, these are two different situations, no? Different arrangements. Means either you can get blacks or red. They're not, like continuity. You are either getting 2 blacks or 2 reds. Or is there? Means either this or this. Means if I'm dealing with this situation, I have only 52 and 51 cases. Same over here. First will be 52, next will be. Total sample space will be 51. I hope you got it. Okay. Please check. This is going to be 1 by 2. 1 by 2. So what I'm getting, take 1 by 2 common. Or I can simply write this as 2 times of. Same thing is there, na? 2 times of 1 by 2 into 25 by 51. They are same thing, no? I can repeat. So 2 times, cancel this, 2 and 2 is gone. What's my answer? 25 by 51. Suitable option is D. Suitable option is D. Question number 2 is over. Moving on to question number 3. Have a look. 3 cards drawn successively without replacement again. Now from this word is very important. Successively and without replacement. The cards number will decrease. From a pack of 52 well shuffled cards, the probability that first 2 cards are a king and third red drawn card is an ace. Have a look. Please check. So first card is king, second card is king, and third card is a ace. How many kings we can have, bacha? So first 2 cards are king, means I can have 4 kings, right, in total. So 4 out of, for the first one, 4 out of what, bacha? 52. Next one, sir, 1 king is already taken out. How come, sir? Without replacement means it is gone now. So I have only 3 kings left out of 51 cards. 51 because 1 card is less, na? Last one. Next one is what, bacha? Aces. So again 4 out of 50. Okay, can we cancel something? Yes, sir. We can cancel here. 4 with 52 is what? 13, sir. Great. And what else can cancel? 3 with 17, right, is 51. And this I can cancel this again, bacha. 2 with, please check, 2 with 25. What is my answer? Please check. My answer is 2 upon 13, 17, 25 in multiplication. So which option suits? Either A or C. Have a look. Either A or C. So what I'm getting, please check. This is 20. If I take 20 into 10 into 10, so 20, it's more than this. 20 into what is 17, right? Very close. We'll multiply. Please, I think the option is A, but I'm going to multiply it for you. Please check. So if I do that, what I'm going to get, please check. 13 into 17, right? So 13 into 17 will be what, bacha? Please check. 25 as it is. 13 sevens are 1 carries 9, 31 is 9, 31 13 plus 9 is 13, 1 plus 9 will be 22, right? Multiply now. 2 to 1 by 25, I get 5, then I get 10, I get again what? 10, 1, 11, right? Yeah. So I get 2 here, 4 here and 4 here, right? So 5, 2, 5, 5. Correct. Now option number A is suitable. 2 upon 5, 5, 2, 5. Okay. I hope this is clear. But I think you can get it directly also, no? Without solving it, because you can see 2 is there, only option A and C suits that way, and if you multiply it will be obviously more than 2500. Okay, chaliye, moving on to question number 4. A dice is tossed thrice, probability of getting an odd number. Okay, so toss thrice, right? Okay, so either I can get what, let's say first one, okay, is odd 3 times, no? In the first trial I get odd, or I can get the second trial as odd. I'm getting what? Third trial also as odd, bacha. What? Getting an odd number at least once. At least once means either once or twice or 3, both is, all 3 conditions are valid, right? At least means what? Minimum number is 1, more than 1 is also okay. So how will I write this? Please check. Probability of getting at least one head first. So I'm going to write A. Let's say A I got as head, B I did not get head, and C I did not get head. Kya ye clear hai? Is it a favorable condition? Please check. A getting sorry, not head, odd. Forgive me. A I'm getting an odd, B and C not an odd. Okay, no problem, sir. Please check. Same way. Probability of A not getting odd, but second trial I got odd, and third trial I did not get odd. What's this condition, sir? At least once condition. Last one, sir. Please check. A not an odd, which is even, B also even, and C an odd. Please check. Here A was odd, here B is odd, here C is odd. Rest all is even. This is a case where only one odds are there. What? Is it enough? I can take more than one odd also, no, sir? So 2 odds. Please check. So where A is odd, B is odd, but C is even. So C dash plus. Please check. A is, let's say, even, and the other 2 is odd. Last one, sir. So last one will be what? Please check. This case we will have B as, so I'll be having A as even, so A as odd, B as even, and C as odd. How come, sir? Taking 2 odds. At least one odd means what? 1 odd, 2 odd, 3 odd, all okay. 2 odd condition. Here how many odds are there? A and B. How many odds are there? A and B. How many odds are there? A and C. Correct, right? Okay. B and C and A and C, correct. So last one, all 3 odds. A is also odd, B is also odd, and C is also odd. Okay. What is the probability of getting an odd in a dice? Probability of getting odd, sir. Please check. Probability of getting odd, sir. Please check. Total is what? 3 out of 6. So how much is that? 1 by 2. Okay. This is my whole required answer. So I'm going to write this as, have a look. First one, probability of getting an odd. So 1 by 2, even, same na? Even is also same, right? If odd is half, even is also half, sir. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Second one, this is even, this is odd, this is even. So same, even is 1 by 2, odd is 1 by 2, and this also is odd. Sorry, even. This is even, right? And this also is even, no? And this also is what? This is odd, bacha. This is odd, sir. Even, odd, even. 1 second. I'll change the ink color. This is even, this is odd, this is even, right? So what is the even condition? Again 1 by 2, na, sir? So 1 by 2, odd is also 1 by 2, and even is also 1 by 2. If you check here, every time you're gonna get what? Different only, no? Like that 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Same way. How many times I'm getting? 1 by 2 here. How much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times same thing. So I can simply write this as plus ... which will result me to what? 7 times of 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Please check. How much is that, sir? 7 times of 1 by 8. How much is that, sir? 7 by 8. 7 by 8. The option suitable to our question is B. Please have a look. Answer is 7 by 8. How come, sir? At least 1 means what? Getting a 1. This is what? 1 odd. What is this one, bacha? 2 odds. And what is this? 3 odd. Please check. 3 odd. So here also 1 by 8 3 times, 1 by 8 3 times plus 1 time. So 7 times 1 by 8. Simply 7 by 8. Question number 5. If A and B are two events such that PA plus PB minus PA intersection B is PA. Okay, great. PA plus PB minus PA intersection B is equals to PA, right? Cancel PA and PA. What I'm getting? Bring this over here. I'm getting PB equals to PA intersection B, right? P of A intersection B. Yes or no? Correct. Now do one thing. So please check. I want PB, right? So I'm going to take this. P of A. I'm taking the conditional probability now, bacha. I'm taking the conditional probability. Probability of getting A when B is already given. B is already occurred. Please check. Now write P of A intersection B by PB. What is that? Are they not equal? From here, equation 1, please check. We're going to get simply this as PB by PB. How much is that? 1. What is this 1 value? PA conditional B. PA when B is given. PA when B is given is coming as B. Option number B is my answer. Coming as 1, which is the answer. Have a look. Have a look. Okay, clear? Clear, right? Have a look. Okay. Now moving on to question number 6. Question number 6, sir. If A and B are two events such that PA is not equal to 0 and PBA is 1. Okay. Write this conditional probability, bacha. Please check. PBA when P of B when A is given. Write it as P of B intersection A upon what? P of A, and this is given as what? Equal to 1. So what I'm getting? P of B intersection A is equal to simply what, sir? P of A cross multiplication. Means intersection of B and A is simply coming as A. It means what? A is subset of B. Yes or no? Intersection of PB and so B and A is simply what? Coming as A. It means what? A is subset of B. Correct, right? Yes, sir. Moving on to question number 7. Probability of solving a specific problem independently means the events are independent. By A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. Means by A it is 1 by 2, by B it is 1 by 3 respectively. If both try to solve the problem independently, the probability that problem is solved. Okay. Means either can solve. किसी से भी करवा लो. Either A solves, okay, union, or B solves. A solves or B solves, correct, na? So P of A plus P of B minus PA intersection B means both cannot solve. Either can solve but both cannot solve. Correct, na? So P of A is how much, sir? 1 by 2. P of B is how much, sir? 1 by 3. What about this, sir? P of A into P of B. This is a condition of independence. Independent event condition. Please check. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3, na? How much is that, sir? Please check. This is 1 by 6, right? So LCM will be 6 only. So 3 plus 2 minus 1. 3 into 2 is 6, right? So LCM will be 6. So equivalent fraction will be like this. What I'm getting? 3 plus 2 is 5. Minus 1 is 4. 4 by 6 coming as 2 by 3. My final answer, option number B. Can a question get simpler than this? No. Just use your logic. Either can solve, no? Probability that problem is solved. Either can solve it. So remove this both condition. Right? They have not asked like this. Question number 8. Chali. I hope this is clear, right? Visible, clear. Question number 8. Probability, same question, but now exactly one of them solves it. Exactly one of them solves, not both, only one. So in both, A solves and B does not solve. Okay. A does not solve when B solves plus. This time A solves and B does not solve, sir. A does not solve, B solves it. Okay. Here A solves it, B does not solve it. What's the answer, sir? Independent event. So P A dash times PB plus PA times PB dash. What is PA dash, sir? Please check. PA is 1 by 2. So PA dash will be what, bacha? 1 minus 1 by 2 only, na, sir. PB is simply what, sir? 1 by 3. Plus how much is that, bacha? Please check here. PA is 1 by 2. And PB will be what? PB dash will be what, sir? 1 minus 1 by 3. Please check. I'm getting this as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3. 1 into 1 by 2. Sorry. 1 minus 1 by 2 is how much? Half only, na? 1 minus half is half. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 plus how much is this? 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. So what I'm getting, please check. If I take this, okay, 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6, how much is that, sir? 3 by 6, how much is that, sir? 1 by 2. Simple problem. Just understand clearly what they're given. Same question statement. In this condition, only one solves. So B solves, A does not solve. A solves, B does not solve. They are independent events. That's why I can separate them like this. Okay, the condition of independent events. So PA dash will be what? 1 minus PA. P dash will be what? 1 minus PB. PB is how much? 1 by 3. PA is how much? 1 by 2. Clear? Simple question. Moving on to question number 3. Sorry, 10. Your answer, please check first here. Your answer is 1 by 2. Your answer is 1 by 2. Moving on to question number 9. If E1, E2 till En represent a partition of a sample space, means I'm breaking a sample space, means let's say this is a whole sample space, na? Okay, I'm creating a partition in the sample space like this. So this is E1, E2 till En, right? Okay, then E intersection EI with EJ is phi. Okay, this is definition, right? When I not equal to J, correct, na? When I not equal to J, correct, right? Okay, sir, great. Simple, very simple question. 9th one. 10th one. Now the MCQ from the PYQ section also, because recently MCQs have been introduced, so we'll have less PYQs, but I have given MCQs for you to practice so that you are prepared for it. Okay, chaliye. Question number 10. A man is known to speak truth about 3 out of 4 times. Okay, he throws a die. Okay, suppose reports that it is a 6. The probability that it is actually a 6. Okay, so there are 2 things: getting a 6 and speaking a truth. Okay, so let's take this event. Probability of getting a 6 is to be, let's take event A to be probability of, simply say what I'm gonna write it as, getting a 6. Event is A is what? Define it. Define the event, bacha. Getting 6. Getting 6. Okay, getting 6 is event A. And what is event B, sir? Event B is when he is speaking the truth. Means event B is when he is speaking the truth, or basically when we reports that he speaks the truth. Whatever is report, whatever he comes up, whatever he says. So whenever he is reports, what do you call? It's a 6. Okay. Means whatever is report. Okay. It's coming as 6 or coming as truth. Whatever you wanna say. Great. So what are we looking for? We're looking for conditional probability. Actually, we're looking for conditional probability. Probability that it is actually a 6. Okay. Means probability of getting a 6 when what, bacha? Whenever he reports. Please check. You're looking for this value. Correct, na? We're looking for this value. Now think about it. Before I go ahead and solve the problem, check here. What's the probability of him getting a 6? PA. 1 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Only one time. Not getting a 6, sir. P of A dash. How much is that, sir? 5 by 6. Okay. Now we're gonna see that probability when he reports, sir, and we get a 6. When he reports and we get a 6, how much is that, sir? Please check. 3 by 4. Correct, na? He's coming out with the truth is how many times? 3 by 4. Please check. Whenever he reports a number, okay, and it's coming out as 6, is 3 by 4. Next what? Probability is what? Whenever he reports and we are getting what? Not a 6. So A dash we have to take. B A dash. How much is that, sir? 1 by 4. Is that clear? He speaks truth out of 3 out of 4 times. Okay, whenever he's speaking truth and he's getting what? It is a 6, right? So 3 by 4. Okay, chaliye. So what are we looking for, bacha? we are looking for this condition PAB. So PAB, please check here. PAB would be what, bacha? It'll be, so PA intersection with B. Is it clear? Okay, correct? No? Why what? Divided by P of B, whatever is the reporting. Okay, so let's check. How can I write this? How can I write this? So I can write this using conditional probability. I can write this as P of, one second, P of A dot P of what, bacha? BA. Please check. If I write for PBA, P conditional probability for B when A is already given, I'll add PB into PA upon PA, which will cancel this. Same thing, if you are not sure, I'll write it for you. So how you write this? Define this thing. PBA is simply, sir, PB intersection A divided by PA, na? Cancel this out. If you multiply this with PA, this will cancel this part. What are you going to end up with? PBA. Same thing was here. Please check. So I'm rewriting this PAB or PB intersection A, okay, as PA into PB conditional A. Is it clear? I'm going to erase this now. Okay. So have a look. Have a look. One final step. So this will come as, so when he speaks the truth and getting a 6, okay, so PA, when we are getting the 6, okay, one second, and when we are not getting the 6, both conditions has to be true. When we are getting a 6 and not getting a 6, please check. So this time we'll take PA dash, na sir, not getting a 6, PA dash, okay. So from here we can know it's going to be 5 by 6 or PB conditional that it's not getting a 6. Okay, let's find it out. Let's find this value. PA is how much, sir? PA is 1 by 6. Let's put everything in now. 1 by 6. PBA is how much, sir? PBA 3 by 4. Same value will come here. 1 by 6, 3 by 4, and for not getting a 6, 5 by 6 and please check 1 by 4. B A dash, probability of B conditional A dash. How much is that? 1 by 4. What is the answer, bacha? Please check. Answer will be 3 by 24 for the numerator. 3 by 24 divided by, over here, sir, 3 by 24 plus 5 by 24. Na? 3 into 1 is 3, 24, and 5 into 24 is again same thing. So 8 by 24. Please check. Please multiply. If you're not sure about the calculation, multiply it. 24 and 24 is cancelled. What I'm getting the answer as? 3 by 8. 3 by 8. This is the condition when? This is the condition when he's actually getting a 6, okay, and he's also telling the truth, okay. So 3 by 8 is the right answer. Have a look. Please have a look. I hope this is clear to you. Yeah, option number C is the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 11, okay. So question number 11 now. Let E and F be the events of a sample space S of an experiment. What is the value of this? E conditional that probability of E given F is already occurred. Probability of E dash given F, okay. So we can write this. Please check. PE conditional F plus PE dash conditional again F. How is that, bacha? Please check. So it'll be simply PE times PF, independent event, na? So PF, okay, divided by PF, okay. Okay, one second. Divided by PF plus PE dash into PF divided by PF. Check here which is getting cancelled. What I'm getting? PE plus PE dash. What is getting cancelled, sir? How much is that, sir? Simply 1. What is the probability of 1? Simply probability of the entire sample space. है ना? Which answer is true? C. Please check. Option C is correct. Simple question. Asked in March 2023 paper. It's a P by Q. March 2023 paper. Have a look. Moving on to question number 12. If A and B are two events such that PA is 1 by 4, PB is 1 by 2, and PA intersection B is 1 by 8, find this value, sir. Okay. Please check. You can see directly from here, na, it is independent event. PA and into B is simply coming as PA into PB. Yes or no? 1 by 8 it is. Multiply 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. 1 by 8. It means that A and B are what? Independent events. Independent events, na sir? How come, sir? Please check. We can verify from here. PA intersection B is simply PA into PB. How come, sir? Please check. This is 1 by 8. And how much is this? 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. So they are equal, yes or no? Means they have given this condition to verify, for us to verify that it is coming as independent events. Now, since it is independent event, we can write what they are asking. P not A means A bar or A dash intersection with B dash. How much is that going to be, bacha? P A dash multiplication with P B dash. Okay, chaliye. What is P A dash, sir? From here, 3 by 4, sir. P B dash, sir, again, sir, 1 by 2. How much is that, sir? 3 by 8. Please check. 1 by 4, P A dash will be 3 by 4. PB is 1 by 2, so PB dash will be again 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. So 4 into 2 is 8, 3 by 8 is my final answer. Please check. Have a look. Again, this can be expected in your 2-marker category. This can be asked in your 2-marker category, so very, very important. Other was only MCQ, na? This can be asked in your 2-marker category. Please check. 2-marker category, it can be asked, bacha. Okay. Moving on to question number 13. A very good question. Have a look. Of the students in a college, it is known that 60% reside in hostel and 40% are day scholars. Okay. Means if I have to pick one student which is from hostel, okay. What am I right? 0.6. 60% means what? 0.6. Same way, if I have to pick from a student and for it to be day scholar, what am I gonna get? 40%, so 0.4. Great, sir. First, statement, I've taken the information from there. Previous year's results from your writing. Previous year's result report that 30% of the all students who reside in hostel attain a grade A grade. Attain a grade A. Means, let's say I write G, okay, as a variable for a student. Getting a grade, getting A grade, getting grade A. Okay. So somebody who is from where, bacha? Let's see what we are looking for. What is the probability of student who is a hostler? Okay, means we are looking for, what we are looking for is, please check, somebody who is a hostler and getting a grade G. Okay, it means we can write it like this now. Please have a look. Probability of somebody who is getting a grade A grade, getting a grade A, and from where? He's from hostel. Now check it out. Please check it out. Somebody who's getting a grade A and from hostel. Grade A and from hostel is what, bacha? Is 30%. From hostel and getting a grade A, 30% means what? 0.3. Again, same way. Probability of somebody who's getting a grade A and from again what? From day scholars category. What is that, bacha? 20%. So 0.2. Is it clear? Okay. Now have a look. This is it. At the end of the year, one student is chosen at random from the college and he has grade A. Okay. Means earlier only. Please check what is Bayes' theorem. It helps us decide what happened in the past using the present information. Okay. So please check here. So right now he's saying that conditional probability is that he's already got a grade A. So grade A is given that he has got. But you have to decide which is going to be, or whether he's going to be a hostler or not. You have to look for the probability whether he's going to be a hostler or not. Okay. So for probability to get a person from hostel to be getting a grade A, which is given, will be given like this. Have a look. P, somebody who's from hostel, given that he got a grade A. Somebody who's from a hostel, given that he got a grade A, will be given by what, bacha? Will be given by P. Same way, H intersection G, and for all the students who are getting grade A, this total probability, probability of the student who got this grade divided by PG. That's how we define the conditional probability. H conditional G, H into G by PG, right? Is not clear? Okay. How can I write this? Please check. How you gonna write this? So you can write this again using a conditional probability. So PH conditional G is given by, please check, PHG is there, na? So PH times PG, given that H has already given. Okay, probability of G given, H is given. Probability of G given that H is already occurred. Okay, so if you want, you can write conditional probability for this and verify this. Same thing, I've just replaced this condition. I have replaced this probability of H intersection G by this whole thing. Now we are looking for what? Denominator is what? Probability of that student has got grade A. So it can be from both day scholars and hostel category. So I'll write both of them. First one will be hostel only. Let's write. It's given over here. From the hostel category, PH into PGH plus this time PD, okay, into PGD. Please check. What's the value, bacha? PH is 0.6. PGH, how much is that? 0.3. Same thing repeats over here. 0.6 times 0.3. Okay. Next, what? Probability of the student to be day scholar, 0.4. 0.4. And for a day scholar, for a day scholar to be getting a grade A means 0.2. Okay. Please check. So I can cancel the decimal points if you don't mind. Two decimal points, sir. Decimal cancel, sir. From all the places. What I'm getting, please check. My final answer is 16 to 3 is 18, sir, in the numerator. Denominator, sir, 16 to 3, again 18 over here. And 4 into 2 is, sir, simply 8. What I'm getting, bacha, please check. 18 divided by 18 plus 8, 26. So simply what, sir? 9 by 13. My final answer. 9 by 13 is my final answer. Have a look. 9 by 13 is my final answer. This is 13, sir. Please check. 13, sir. Have a look. A very good question can be asked in, maybe 3 marker or 5 marker, both is possible. 3 mark, 3 or 5 mark question can be asked like this. Have a look. 3 or 5 mark question. 3 or 5 mark question. If they want to make a paper difficult, they might ask this for 3 mark also. Okay, but 3 or 5 mark question can be asked when the question statement is given like this. It's a PYQ only, March 2023 paper. Okay, chali, have a look. Moving on to question number 14. Please check. PA is 1 by 2, PB is 0. Arre, PB is 0, sir. Right here. Conditional probability of PA, conditional B is given as PA intersection B divided by PB. But PB is given as 0. It means not defined. PB cannot be 0, right? That's the definition of the conditional probability. Right? Conditional probability definition has this PB not equal to 0. PB not equal to 0, but check with this contradiction means not defined. Okay, chali. Moving on. Question 15. Probability of obtaining no head. No head. Okay. When 2 coins are tossed. 2 coins means H, HT, TH or TT. No head means only one this category. Okay. One category means 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is my answer, bacha. Please have a look. No head to be appear. Okay. You should not have any head appearing. If you toss 2 coins, it means it has to be what? 2 unbiased coins again. 1 by 4 only. HH, HT, TH and TT. Please check. 1 by 14. 1 by 4 is your answer. Moving on to question number 16. Bag 1 contains 3 red, 4 black balls, while another bag 2 contains 5 red and 6 black balls. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bags and it is found to be red. Find the probability that was drawn from bag 2. Okay. Good question, sir. Let's say bag 1, I'll name it to be. Bag 1 I'm taking as the variable A, and bag 2 I'm taking as B. Okay. We are getting what? We're getting a red ball, okay, from bag 2. Means we are looking for probability of B when you get what? A ball, red ball. Okay. Probability of getting a red ball is what? Simply I can take it as R, sir. Getting a red ball is simply I can take it as R, sir. Okay. Please check. So if I write, bacha, probability of getting a bag A is what, sir? Is same as probability of getting a bag B. Half and half. There are only 2 bags. No, you can either pick bag 1 or bag 2. So half and half probabilities for picking bag A or bag B, which is bag 1 and bag 2. Clear? Now check out here. This is what we're looking for. This is a question mark. This is a question, bacha. Now we're looking for, please check what is given here. So we'll look for this probability when it's a red but from a bag A. Please check. Red from a bag A or bag 1, 3 out of 7, no? Please check. 3 plus 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 out of 7. And probability when it is a red ball but from bag B. From bag B, how much is that, bacha? Please check. Red, 5 out of 11. 5 out of 11. Okay, this is clear. Write this condition now. P B R equals to, write this condition probability, P B intersection R divided by what, bacha? Divided by P R. Correct, na? Total means total of the red balls that you're getting either from the bag 1 or bag 2. Okay, you can write this conditional property for this one also. Again, from where you can write, please have a look. Please have a look. You can write this as P, please check, R B equals to P R intersection B divided by PB. PB. So you can cross multiply these two to get P R intersection B. So I can repeat this step as this. Have a look. P B multiplied with this thing, right? I can cross multiply this over here, no? So PB multiplied with P R conditional B, okay, divided by all the cases I can write total probability for PR. How you can write in terms of red ball from bag 2 and red ball from bag 1. So for bag 2, what I'm going to write, bacha? So PB times of, for bag 2 I'm writing first, R conditional B plus for the bag 1. So P of A with P getting a red from bag 1. Okay, please check it out. I can write this value again over here. Probability of getting a bag B, okay, when the red ball is drawn. Okay, what I can write, bacha? PB is how much, sir? PB is 1 by 2 only, no? Numerator, PB is 1 by 2 only. PRB, R conditional B is how much, sir? 5 by 11. 5 by 11, sir. 5 by 11, sir. What about this? PB is again, sir, 1 by 2. Same thing will repeat over here. 1 by 2 times of 5 by 11 plus PA is also 1 by 2. PRA 3 by 7. 3 by 7. देख लीजिए. Okay. Okay. I can take 1 by 2 common in the denominator. Have a look. I can write this as it is, 1 by 2, 5 by 11, and take 1 by 2 common over here. What I'm getting? 5 by 11 plus 3 by 7, right? Cancel 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. What I'm getting now? Please check. 5 by 11 divided by LCM is how much, so 77. And what I'm getting? 5 into 7, right? So 35 and 11, right? So 33. Correct, now? Please check the LCM. 11 7s are 77, so 5 3s are 5 7s are 35. 7 11s are 77, so 3 11s are 33. Check the answer what I'm getting for 5 by 11 divided by 68 by 77. So 11 times 7, I'm going to get this as cancelled. Bring the 7 in the numerator. Answer is coming as 35 by 68. 35 by 68 is my final answer. Okay. Question can be asked again in 3 mark category. 3 marker can be asked, bacha. 3 marks. It can be asked in a 3 marker category. Please check. A very good question, but simple, not that difficult. Okay. I hope this is clear. What we have written over here? We have written simple conditional probability. You can write the simply over here also with the help of Bayes theorem, or you can write simply the conditional probability for PBR. What are you looking for? PBR, getting a second bag when red ball is already drawn. They've given that. They're looking for a red ball, okay? From which bag? From second bag. That's why second bag is taken as B. So BR, okay? Conditional probability over here, writing the value of PRB from there to replace PB intersection R, and this, what is that total probability for P getting a red ball in terms of bag B or bag 1. Both can be taken, right? I can take a red from bag 1 or bag 2. Okay, so have a look. This is clear. 16th is done. Moving on to question number 17th. PA is 0.6. Okay, PA is 0.6 and PB is 0.3. Okay, great. Find PA conditional. B means B is given. Okay, so PA A intersection B divided by what बच्चा? Divided by PB. How much is that? P intersection B is what, sir? 0.2. They have given it here. What is PB, sir? PB is given as 0.3. Okay. What is the answer? 2 by 3. Simple question, right? Very simple. Again, asked in March 2022 paper. Moving on with question number 18. A fair coin and an unbiased die are tossed. Dice are tossed. Okay. Let A and B be the A be the event head. Okay. Appears towards the A bacha getting a head. Okay. And B with the event 3 on the die. Okay, getting a 3. Okay, check whether A and B are independent events or not. Basically what it means, checking the event means probability of the A intersection B should be equal to PA times of PB. This is the condition for checking independent events, right? Let's check PA first. Probability of getting a head bacha. Okay, probability of getting a head 1 by 2 simply. You can get half times head, half times tails also. Okay, what about this PB, sir? Getting a 3 out of what? How many numbers are there? 6 numbers. It means 1 by 6. Okay, so we know that. Please check here. PA into PB will be coming as, please check, simply 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. So 1 by 12, sir. 1 by 12. Okay, great. Now look for A intersection B. Means what? You want a head and you want a 3. You want a head and a 3. Okay. Total sample space, sir. Total sample space will look like this. Have a look. Have a look. So head with 1 till head with 6. Also, second case, tail with 1 till tail with 6. You're looking for what? You're looking for only this condition. So somewhere here will be head with 3. So how many times you're going to get head with 3? Only 1 times, right? Because you have head with 3 over here, you will have over here tails with 3. Means only 1 times. Out of what? How many? Over here you have 6 and over here also have 6. It means probability of A intersection B. What it means, getting head and 3 at the same time is 1 by 12. Is it coming equal? Yes, sir. It means what we are getting. PA intersection B is coming as PA times PB. Hence what? Hence A and B are independent events. Hence what? A and B are independent events, bacha. Can be asked, this question can be asked again in 2 marker or 3 marker. 2 or 3 marks category. Please check. Okay, a very good question. I hope this is clear. Please have a look, bacha. Okay, have a look, sir. Yes, asked in your PYQ 2023 March paper. Okay, great. A very good question. Moving on with, I hope this was clear, right? Have a look. Moving on with question number 19. A bag contains 4 red, 4 black balls, and another bag contains 2 red and 6 black balls. One of the 2 bags is selected at random. Similar question I've done, I think, right? And a ball is drawn from the bag which is found to be red. Find the probability that ball is drawn from the first bag. Previous one case we had a second bag case, right? So again, if I take the same way, let's say A for bag 1 and B for bag 2. Okay, then probability of getting a bag A or getting bag B is simply what? 1 by 2. You can either select A or B, so 1 by 2. What are we looking for? Probability of using the bag A to what? When you've got this, means the red ball that you got is from bag A. That's what you're looking for. Okay, chaliye. Now probability of getting a red from the bag A, or bag 1 will be what, bacha? Please check. 4 and 4 is there, na? 4 red, 4 black means, so 4 by 8. Okay, what about this? Probability of getting a red ball from, okay, from bag B or bag number 2 is going to be what, bacha? Please check. So 2 by 8, right? Red is what? 2 by 8. So 2 by 8. Great. Please check. So what we can do, bacha, here? We can write this P of what we are looking for, this condition. So A conditional probability with R will be given by PA intersection R divided by PR. From the conditional probability definition, Okay, you can write directly Bayes theorem also, not a problem. Please check. So do we have enough space over there? I don't think so. So I'm going to use it over this side to write our final statement. Okay, so let's have a look, bacha. I can write this as P A conditional probability with R is going to be what, bacha? Over here, P A times P R A. है ना? How? Say, I've explained to you so many times. Please cross check. Okay. Write the conditional probability for this and then cross multiply with PA to get this result for PA intersection R. Okay. So probability of getting a red. Write the total probability of getting a red. Total probability of getting a red will be from both bags. So again PA PRA from bag 1 and next what? PB and PRB. है ना? PA is what, बच्चा? 1/2 and PRA is how much, sir? 4/8 divided by, please check, same thing over here, 1/2 4/8 plus 1/2 for PB and 2/8. What's the answer? Please check. I'm getting this as 4/16 divided by, I have 16 again, whole thing, 2 into 8 is 16, 2 into 8 is 16, 4 plus 2, so 4 plus 2, how much is that? Simply 6. 16 goes out. I'm getting this as 4/6, so 2/3 is right answer, I think. Please have a look. Final answer is 2/3, sir. This is the final answer, 2/3, sir. Have a look. Can we ask in again 3 marker category? Okay, 2 marker or 3 marker can be asked, bacha. 3 marker category you can be asked for March 2023 paper. Similar question can be asked in your 3 marker category. Have a look. Simple problem. I hope all of you got it, right? I've done the question like this, no? 3 questions I think I've solved like this on the Bayes theorem. Okay. Find BAB when PB is 0.5 and P intersection B is 0.32. Okay. Write this condition, bacha. P conditional probability with A and B. Okay. When B is given. Okay. I can write this as PA intersection B divided by PB. Okay. Yes, sir. 0.32 divided by what, sir? 0.5. Simple problem. Can be asked for 1 marker also in the MCQ, fill in the blanks, or where we ask. You can expect this question in all the category. 1 marker, fill in the blanks, or if they are giving easy paper, 2 mark also they can also ask. But very simple. Please check. Put it here. 10. And then just cancel this. Okay, no, 1 second. Not there. Yeah. 100 will come. Okay. So please check. This is gone. I'm having this as 5, 6 are 30 and 4s are 20. 6.4 by 10. So 0.64 is my final answer. 0.64 is my final answer. Simple question. Yes, sir. Question number 21. An insurance company insured 2,000 scooters driver, okay, and 4,000 car drivers and 6,000 truck drivers. The probabilities of an accident are, okay, before I go ahead in the next of the setup statement, let's write the first one and get the result of the first one. So let's check this to be scooter. I'll take the variables in that form only: scooter, car and truck. Tell me, probability of being a scooter driver, if you are chosen on random, probability of being a scooter driver is what, sir? 2,000 out of what, sir? Total number, 2,000 plus 4,000, 6,000 plus 6,000 is 12,000. So 2,000 by 12,000, how much is that? 1/2. 1/6, sir, not 2. 1/6, sir, excuse me. Cancel 0 zeros and 2 and 12. If you cancel, you're gonna get 1/6. Same. Look for probability of being a car driver. What is that, sir? 4,000 by same thing, 12,000. So what is that, sir? 1/3. Look for probability of being a truck driver. What is that, sir? 6,000. So simply half. 6,000 by 12,000. So simply half, sir. Okay, great. Now we'll look for the question what they're asking. Probability of that he is a scooter driver. Okay, means there was an accident, I think. Yeah. Injured. Okay, one of the insured people met with accident. Somebody got an accident. Okay, and he's a scooter driver. So basically they're asking what? Probability of being a scooter driver. Okay, and you've been in an accident. Correct, right? This is the variable that they're asking. The required condition we're looking for, PSA. How much is it? Okay, great, sir. Let's look for the answer. But before that, we have some information given. Let's look for that also. Probability of an accident when being caused by scooter driver, or it was scooter driver involved, is simply what, sir? 0.01, means 1 by 100. Please check. Scooter driver 0.01. Okay. Same way, probability of an accident for a car driver involved is what, simply what, sir? 3 by 100. 0.03 means 3 by 100. Same way, for a truck driver involved is 0.15, means 15 by 100. 15 by 100. We're looking for this value, PSA. Have a look. So P conditional for S and A, where A is given. PS intersection with A divided by, what is A, bacha? Okay, I did not define that, a variable only. What is A, sir? Let me define it over here. Let me define it over here. A is what? Somebody meeting with accident. So people met, okay, with accident. Okay, whoever is meeting with accident, that variable is taken as A. Okay, divided by, same thing, all the people from across all the vehicles that has been insured. Okay, for the people driving them is PA. Okay, chaliye, let's write them. So what we can do, bacha, for PS and A, so we can write here PS, okay, and PA conditional with S when S is already given. Okay, chaliye. How? I explained you. Write this. Apply the conditional probability of this. You're gonna get this result. Okay. Write the conditional probability for PAS. Multiply with PS. You're gonna get the result of PS intersection A. करके देख लीजिए. PA, people who are in accident with what category, whether it's scooter, truck, or car. Write for all of them. Write for all of them. So first, let's write for scooters only. PS, PA conditional S plus P with the car people and them being accident. Okay, and P with the truck people and them being in the accident. Okay, sir. Chaliye. What is PS? Have a look. 1 by 6. What is PAS? Please check. 100. So 1 by 100. Divided by, same thing, 1 by 600. Please check. Plus. For car people, 1 by 3 and 3 by 100, right? 1 by 3 times of 3 by 100 plus, over here please check, 1 by 2 times of 15 by 100. Easy or not? Yes, sir. After practice everything becomes easy. Please check. I can cancel 100, 100, 100 and 100. What I'm ending up with, PS conditional A, probability of a person from scooter when accident has already taken place is given as, okay, 1 by 6 in the numerator divided by, please check, 1 by 6 plus, cancel this also, 3 and 3, so plus 1, so 1 by 6 plus 1 plus what I have, bacha, 15 by 2. Please check. 15 by 2. I hope this is visible to you. Yes, sir. 15 by 2. Visible, na? All clear, no problem. Moving on, 1 by 6 divided by, take the LCM now, 6 again, so 1 plus 6 plus 3, right? So 45. Cancel this and this. Please check. 1 upon 46 plus 6, so 52. So the case when accident has taken place and the person is what? Person who is driving the scooter is going to be what? My final answer would be giving me 1 by 52. This question can be asked in a category of 5 marks, sir. 5 marker, a very good question. If a question like this is framed for your examination, 5 marker you can expect in that particular question. Okay, if you answer it right, 5 marker you're gonna get very, very easily. Have a look. Just remember how to use conditional probability. Once you get that, now problem is solved. Okay, 21 is done. Okay, have a look. Question number 21, a few steps over here. Moving into question 22. 2 balls are drawn at random with replacement from a box. Okay, with replacement, no problem then, sir. Work is easy, life is easy. From a box containing 10 black and 8 red balls. Okay, find the probability that both balls are red. Okay, first part's answer. both are red, means red and red. So first one will be what, bacha? Please check. So 8 by total is 18. I think I've done this right. 8 by 18. Okay. So you can get what? 4 and 4 and 9 and 9. If you cancel it, 4 and 9. Here also 4 and 9. So 16 by, what is it? 81. Part 1 is done. Probability of getting what? A red and red. Probability of getting a red into probability of getting a red. Okay. Same. Why 18, sir? Because without this replacement means we are not changing the numbers. Total sample space remains same because of the replacement being given. First ball is black. Okay. And second is red. Means BR now. Black and red. So please check for black. What I'm going to get? 10 by, 1 second. 10 by 18 now, sir. 10 by 18, sir. Multiplied with red, sir. 8 by 18. Cancel them. So I'm going to get this as 5, this as 9, this as 4, and this as 9 again. 5 4s are 20 and 81. My final answer. Okay, part 3. This is a part 3 also, right? Yeah. One of them is black, another is red. One of them is black and red means what? Either first can be black or second can be black. Means both condition is possible. Please check. So I can write this as B, sorry. 1 second. BR or RB. Means first is black or second is black. Both possibilities are there. So whether you take BR or RB, what's the answer? 20 by 81 only, no? For this what are you going to get? Please check. Black will be 10 by 18. What will have for this? Red will be 8 by 18. Here also 8 by 18. And what is that, bacha? 10 by 18. What I'm getting simply 2 times of 10 by 18 times of 8 by 18. Please check. 4 9 5 9. 5 for the 20. 20 times 2 is 40, right? 5 4s are 20 times 2 is 40. So 40 by 81 is my final answer for the third option. Please have a look. Right? 2023 paper. Okay, moving on. 23. This is simple, right? I hope you got it for part 1, part 2 and part 3. Moving on to 23. If PA equals 3 by 5, PB is 1 by 5, find PA intersection B. A and B are independent events. Arey, very simple. One marker or MCQ, sir. One marker question, sir. 1 mark or MCQ, sir. Even fill in the blanks it can come. Okay. So fill in the blanks can also be expected in this. Previous question, it can be asked for 3 marker, bacha. 3 options are there, na? So it can be asked for 3 markers, sir. Please check. Okay. So let's have the solution for this. PA, PB are independent events. Okay. Okay, when will there be independent events? They're asking that when they are independent events. If you have P intersection B equals to what? PA and PB, the condition for the independent events. So 1 by 3, sorry, 1 by, 3 by 5, right? And 1 by 5, so 3 by 25. This is the answer. When this condition is true, you'll have this as, okay, independent events, or ulta can also be said. For them to be independent events, PA intersection B has to be 3 by 25. Moving on. 24. A man is known to speak truth. I've done this question, right? It came as 3 by 8, something like that. Please check. Okay. So check this out. I've solved this question. Solved. Okay. You can see this P by Q question. I've done in I think MCQ. So it is again a P by Q from 2017. So very good question, can be repeated. So I've taken a repeated questions, to show you. They are like questions that can be asked again in the paper also. Okay. So you can check. Very, in 2-3 years they keep repeating the questions. So can be done. Okay. Again 3 marker you can ask. 3 marker you can see. 3 mark you can expect this question in. 3 mark or 5 mark. If it is framed little, if they want to make it a little more difficult for you, then okay, maybe 5 mark. They can also ask, make some changes in the statement and rephrase and get the question to be 5 marker. PE is given as 0.6, PF is 0.3. I've done this question, right? This is also done, sir. I think so. Please check. PF, given that E is already given, okay. So PF intersection with E divided by PE, okay, what is that, bacha? 0.2 divided by P, sir, so 0.6, 1 by 3. Similar question was given, I think. Very simple question. If it is coming, it will come for only 1 mark. It will come for only 1 mark, or we can ask in fill in the blanks or MCQ. Very simple question. 1 by 3 is the answer. 26th problem, have a look. P, same question, exact same question. So you can see here, same as 25. I've taken this to show you. 2019 March and July 2020. So this question is repeated like this, okay. So this was asked in March paper and July paper, but question is like that. So simple problem only. You will not be giving July paper, you will be giving the March paper only, but since I have taken the question, I explained to you, I showed you over here. This, a probability of solving, okay, I have solved this question, right? The question was also solved, please check. Probability of solving a specific problem independently, and A and B are 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 respectively. Both try to solve problem independently, find the probability that at the problem is solved. How can the problem be solved? Either of them, if they solve it, either of them solve means what, bacha? Please check. A union B, right? Okay, so I can write it as PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. Okay, correct now? So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6, how much is that? 6. 3 plus 2 minus 1, so 4 by 6, how much is that, sir? 2 by 3. If you are worried that why I am doing this fast, because I've already done this question. If you want to know why I'm doing this fast, go back in the question and you'll find this question is already done in the MCQ, right? This question has been repeated. March 29 paper, 2019 paper. Have a look. Question 28. PA 7 by 13, 9 by 13 and 4 by 13. Okay, chaliye. For PA intersection B is 4 by 13. We are looking for what value? PAB. Again, it can be asked in only 1 mark question, sir. 1 mark, or if they are very being generous, 2 mark they can also ask, but very rarely. 1 mark, bacha. It's a 1 mark question. Very simple, very easy question. Okay, please check. We're looking for PAB. Simply PA intersection B by PB, na? By PB, right? So 4 by 13, please check. Divide by 9 by 13. 9 by 13. 1 second. Looks confusing over here. I'll rewrite this statement. 9 by 13. 13 goes out. So 4 by 9 is my answer. Please check. Simple question. A very simple question, right? 1 mark category. Next one. Again a PYQ from 2018. You can see here the numbers has been changed, but the question is same. 4 out of 5 times he tossed a coin and report that it is head. Find the probability that it is actually head. Okay, so please check. So we're looking for what? So his report is that it is head only. Okay, it is head only. We're looking for what? That he, whatever he reports. Okay, 1 second. No, it's ulta, sir. Actually head. Okay, so his report is coming as, he reported earlier and it is coming as head only. Okay, chaliye, let's see. So if you are looking for a coin toss, right? A coin toss. So probability of getting a head is what, bacha? Same as probability of getting a tail. Okay, so 1 by 2. Okay, and probability that whatever he reports is coming as head. Coming as head is what, sir? 4 by 5. And when it is not head, so simply tails. 1 by 5. 4 by 5 means he speaks truth, right? So his truth with head is matching, so 4 by 5. Other cases is the lie, which is 1 by 5. Okay, so great, sir. He reports whether it is tails or head, he reports, but 4 times is right, so head will be 4 by 5. For tails you'll have 1 by 5. Conditional probability. You're looking for what? You're looking for this condition, sir. this is your question. Okay, so please write this conditional probability. Write this PHR will be given by what, bacha? PH intersection R divided by whatever times he reports. Okay, all these reports. Please check. We can write this as PH times PR conditional probability with H divided by same thing for both head and tail. We can write whenever he lies and whenever he speaks truth. So this for the truth. Please check. RH plus the tails case probability of RT. Okay, great. The value, so what we are getting, PHR is coming as, please check, PH is how much, sir? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 times of PRH, so 4 by 5, sir, divided by same thing I'll write over here, bacha, 1 by 2 and 4 by 5 plus, what about this, PT is again 1 by 2, sir, and this time what will be this, 1 by 5, sir, 1 by 5, PR, conditional T is 1 by 5. Have a look, I'm getting this as 4 by 10, okay, this again is 4 by 10, okay, plus 1 by 10. So what I'm getting, bacha, please check, I'm getting 4 by 10 divided by 5 by 10, na? 10 goes out, what is my answer? 4 by 5. What is my answer? 4 by 5 means whenever he speaks, that's correct, na? 4 by 5 is my answer. Whatever he reports and it coming as, right only, or it speaks truth with the head coming all the time is 4 by 5. Okay, please have a look. Similar question has been asked for whenever he speaks truth for 2 out of 3 or 3 out of 4. Question can be asked. It's a very good question. Okay, you can see repeated in 2023 paper, 20 paper also they've asked, and 18 paper. So 23, 18 and 20. Question can be asked. A question can be expected like this, and it can be expected for 3 marker, 3 or 5 marks. Both category is true. Okay, both category can be asked, bacha. 3 or 5 marks category can be asked, sir. So please make a note of it. Okay, a very good question. Chaliye. So this completes our chapter probability. So I hope this was clear for you. Okay, I hope this was simple for you. As I said, I'll tell you about topics that you should cover, you must cover in this chapter. First thing is Bayes theorem. Okay, if you are very good in conditional probability, you don't have to cover the Bayes theorem, because Bayes theorem is actually, you can see that special case or in a new name or different way to solve a conditional probability. Either you are very good in this, very good, otherwise remember the theorem from, or remember the formula from Bayes theorem. Okay, and what, P by Qs, you have to solve the P by Qs, sir, because you can see the trend, na? Don't invest too much time solving all the questions. Solve the P by Qs as many times you can possible. You can solve twice, thrice, good, very good, because similar question will come, right? You can see the trend, question is coming in the same fashion. Some NCERT question you can solve, and some NCERT means you can solve miscellaneous exercises you can solve in NCERT, and P by Q, that is enough for probability. I will repeat myself, miscellaneous exercises, examples, and your P by Qs, that's more than enough for your boards. So you're gonna get out in probability section. Okay, to make sure that you are ready for this chapter, ready for all the chapters, okay, coming for your test series, please enroll and purchase this, or get this benefit available for you at a price of $5.99 for a mock test series named as PU2 Success Blueprint Test Series, which will have a 12 mock test for your PU2 boards. First 4 will be a part test PCM, the last 8 will be a full syllabus test. Okay, first test is going live on 15th December, so please avail this offer before it. Okay, later it might increase and you might also miss, so the prices might increase after 15th December. Okay, and also what is the problem now, that you might miss couple of tests, so don't do that, bacha. Please make sure that you've written all the tests, okay, all the 12 tests. So what is going to get once you purchase this, once you enroll into this, how to enroll, the link is given, go ahead, check out the link and enroll and get this test series. Once you've got this test series, what you can do, bacha, what you can do is, what you're going to get from our side. So, you have to you'll get to a platform, all the information will be shared to you how to get to the platform. Okay, and once you get to the platform, you'll get mock test papers, PDF solutions, video solutions of the test paper, and also doubt clarifications classes. So I hope this is clear, right? Very simple. A lot of efforts have been made from our side to make this test series very unique. So please make sure that you are having this benefit availed for all of you at a very small price of $5.99. So please do that, bacha. Okay, I'll see you in the next session, okay, of PU2 Brahmastra. Till then, take care. and be positive. The time is coming, closer for examination. I know a lot of things are going in your mind, but try to be, calm whenever you can. If you want, talk to, your friends, and try to be, around positive people. Talk to your parents, try to talk to your teachers, get the negativity out of you, and be focused. Do not waste time. Do not postpone things. Keep working hard every day. Take a small bit and work hard. Whatever you can do, whatever best you can do, sit and do it. Don't think about it. Just sit and do it. Whatever you have to do, just take it up and do it. If it's not coming perfect, it's okay. Just take it up and do it. I get it. I understand it might be challenging for you, but it's okay, bacha. We are here for you. Any queries you want, to ask us, let us know in the comment section. With this, I'm ending the session. Please take care of yourself. See you in the next session. Okay. Bye bye.